Okay, so this is Trampled Underfoot by Led Zeppelin. We're going to start out, we got the keyboard intro that gets us going with a certain feel. So in that feel, we're going to have 1 and 2 and, so you can use whatever fingers you want. I kind of use the first finger a little bit, but it's 3s on the G and B strings to 2s and back to 3s. So it's 3, 4, 1. So it's like and 2 and then we go. And this could be a single note if you want. 2 to 3 on the G and then 5, 3 on the D. 5 on the A, back to 3, 5 on the D. Or you can slide the 2s to 3s. So 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it's 1, 3s, 2s, 3s, slide, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it's 6 of those to get started. Then we're gonna have this riff. Okay, so we're going from 5 to 7, middle finger on the G string, and that's to get that first finger free for that 6 down here and the little E. So 5 to 7, little 6, so we got. So when we hit that 6, we're gonna hit it again and go back to the 7 and back, so. 7 goes to 9, and we have a little 8 on the bottom, so the same shape goes up. So that one goes up to the 9, 8, 8, back to the 9. We have a new riff. That's 10s to 11 and 10 on the bottom two there. So we got. So we had little 10s to 11 on the second string with 10 on the bottom string. You got 10 to 11 on the B string there, 12 to 10 on the G. You got a 12 on the D, back to 10, 12 on the G. So 3, 4, 1. Okay, so let's look at everything so far. We got 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that thing goes 6 times, and then we have. Okay, now the next one, it doesn't have the, it just has the 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it's just 2s to 3. But then the rest of the riff is the same. So it's 3, 4, 1. So this is after the 1. Let's try it real slow. 2, 3, 4, 1. So it's a little tricky at first, but it's really not too hard overall once you get a little practice in. Okay, so that one's gonna go 6 times, and then we're gonna be back to the A riff. That's the one I'm calling the A riff, because the first one was like bum, 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 bum. That's kind of like just the intro, beginning riff. Okay, so we got the A riff. We got the B riff. And then we have that new C riff, which is the 1. So it's 6 of those, and then we're back to that. So it's 6 of those, and then we're back to that A riff. Now here it's going to continue on 10 to 12 on the G. Same kind of picking with the 11 down there. Up to 14. And 13 on the bottom there. So we got. Okay, then our main riff, 3, 4, 1. So 6 more of those, then we got the A riff again. Then we got the. Okay, so just got to listen to the song a bunch of times, get the full arrangement and everything. Now, one more thing to talk about is after we get through a lot of this stuff, we got. That's that part. It's like a breakdown. Dun, 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 dun. It's like a keyboard break. So you just hit this 5 on the D string with 7 on the G string. Little G power chord in the middle there. So it's like dun, 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 dun. It's like 2 bars. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's basically your parts, and then 2 bars of that, and then again. Back into your groove. So one more thing in this tune, you could be in the G minor pentatonic scale. That's what he's using to do his solos. So think about how you got your combining positions. Where your bend notes are. So I wrote all these down, how these positions combine and stuff. You got this one up here. And you got your octave. Okay, so basically everything he's doing for his fills and stuff in the guitar solo realm is that G minor pentatonic. So, all right, Trampled Underfoot, Led Zeppelin, Physical Graffiti, I do believe. Got a tab with this. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.